So what do you do when you've broken your phone? What would be the first thing to do? This one here looks like it has been on the roof of a car and possibly bitten by a dog. And what would the best outcome, or what do you want to do when that happens? So first thing you might be thinking is, my phone is buggered, I need to get a replacement. Then the second thought you've got after that is, I've got the replacement phone, now I need my information. Oh, the phone shop that just sold me the phone can't help me with that. So what am I going to do from now? Well, I best go to the repair shop and find out if they can retrieve my information. Now, that's probably not the best approach to have. And these are my reasons why. Let's say you just broke the phone. The first thing you'd want to do is contact someone to be able to fix that. Because if they can fix your phone, then they can retrieve your information, rather than going to the salesperson who's happy to sell you a new phone, but can't actually assist with getting the information off it. So in this particular instance, this customer here has got a damaged Samsung Galaxy A32 that had dropped off a car, been run over multiple times, attacked by a dog, whatever has happened there, but the phone still rings. But the first thought that went through their mind was, I need a new phone. From there, they went into a local shop, talked to the phone shop, and then walked out with a brand new Z Flip 4. Is not a cheap phone at all. They got talked into it, I believe, which one of the reasons was durability, being that it flips over and closes. That should protect their phone. It's not really going to protect them from a car driving over the top of it. But I let them know of the repair costs of the Z Flip 4, or the expected repair costs, and then I told them how much it was to repair the A32, which was about a quarter of the price, and also doesn't require them involve them buying a $1,200 to $1,500 Australian dollar phone. So they did have a bit of a crisis of, why did I bother going to the salesman when I should have went to the repairman? So at this point in time, I'm going to be able to retrieve their information if all goes well, which would be connecting the body of this phone up to a brand new screen and housing. And from there, I should be able to access their phone and transfer it to their now new phone. But they didn't really want an expensive phone. More got talked into it by the salesperson, as opposed to the repairman who goes, yep, looking around 140 to fix this phone, maybe another 20 bucks for the back, and you'll have your phone up and going and continuing with minimal cost, as opposed to a great cost. So one thing I'll definitely recommend if you have accidentally broken your phone is take it to the local phone repair shop, not your phone provider. So let's say you have Telstra, Optus, AT&T, whoever, whatever phone company you have in your country. If you do break your phone by accident and you're going to want to get the information off there at some stage, I would recommend taking it to the repair shop first, where people like me will tell you the cost of how much it would be to repair the phone, what we could do, what we could offer, and what we would suggest if we're in the same situation as you. So hopefully you have a relatively human person like myself, which I usually give the customer all aspects of what to expect. So if this phone was brought in to me for repair, data retrieval, I'd say I could retrieve the data, it's going to be this amount. I could repair the phone, which would be another amount. Or if I can't do either of them, this is what you're going to have to replace it with, and this is how much you'd probably be looking at spending to replace the phone with. So I usually give people multiple ideas. Also let them know that if they have insurance or house and contents insurance, it very well may cover the replacement of their phone. So it's always best to have an informed customer, so you don't end up with buyer's remorse like this particular person had with their brand new Z Flip 4. They weren't